Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com. Today I have yet another amazing software for you. This one is called Plexity AI, and this one in a nutshell is the new Perplexity powered application that does everything for you. It creates real-time AI chatbots, AI content generation, and it has also AI image variation generator, AI graphic editor, AI product name generator, AI summarizer. Name it, it has all these things. And of course you can do this within 2 minutes of getting into the dashboard, and with this you will be able to automate your daily tasks like smartly creating content grabbing, marketing content, images, visuals, and a lot more by just sitting back and let the complexity and the perplexity of this very application perplex you in a way that you'll be able to perplex others by the contents you create with this. It's an amazing product that went live yesterday, the 14th of November 2023 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. As we speak, this product is live, and of course you have many things to gain with this one. If you stick with me, I will take you through before the end of this review through my amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you, which are crazily coined to help you complement this product and also give you the incentives you need to actually buy this product and see if this is going to work for you. But from all I have seen in the dashboard and the demo video of this productive application is good, and of course you will be able to see that yourself as we go. Also, I take you to the dashboard area where you will see these tabs and their functions, and also play you the demo video of this product in action. Now let's see some of the benefits you have with this Plexity AI application that helps you create AI contents, summarizers, and of course help you create chatbots that are of course behave like real human beings in the virtual assistant capability. And of course one of the benefits will be that it is 100% Perplexity support application that works smoothly on every device of your choice: telephone, tablets, laptops, and even your desktops. And you get multiple AI powered premium business tools at just one price, which is the price of $17, I guess. And you have to be the first mover advantage and crush your competition. And with this you say goodbye to wasting time logging into multiple ChatGPT applications once and for all, and you use the artificial intelligence embedded in this creative application to create and sell attention grabbing marketing assets, which you can sell to others and have your gig on Fiverr or any of the other work platforms. Okay, now you have the ability also to build high converting sales scripts, add copies, trending articles, and all this in just 3 clicks, and you stop paying huge monthly fees to expensive copywriters, freelancers, and visual creators forever. Commercial licenses included, which means you can generate and sell as many assets as you like to your clients, and it is completely beginner friendly. The tools that are embedded in this does everything for you in very easy clicks, and you have nothing to download, install, or customize. It just gets started in seconds, and it has amazing 30-day money back guarantee. Okay, and you will be offered premium bonuses from the vendor if you buy this product using that first link below in my description area. My name is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com. At any time you decide, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and use the bell icon for notification. Now let us go further and see the steps you need to get this created for yourself. It creates chatbots, AI content marketing for ads, copies, scripts of any kind, and of course it can also summarize long texts and make it into a synoptic passage that others can read to actually attract the attention grabbing headlines that you need. And then you create eye-catchy graphics and images with this application. It does basically everything that helps you automate your tasks on a daily basis, so that you just churn out content out there. Everything is automated and synchronized with your social media handles, so that you'll be able to do all of that. And definitely you'll be able to come across this sales page. When you click that first link below in my description area, it will bring you to this sales page where you are going to grab a copy of this product if you like, using any of these links scattered all over this page. Now let us take a look at the steps you need. Basically 3 of them. Number 1 will be to log into your dashboard when you purchase this product, and number 2 will be to create using keywords of your choice to generate any kind of content you desire, and of course number 3 will be to sit back and eventually make profits. Okay, and this is the kind of money they have been making using this product that they have finally given out to the public. Okay, so you can imagine the opportunity you have here, and these are some of the images you could create to actually create any content of your choice, including banners. Anything you want, you'll be able to do, as long as you keyword a phrase that is going to help you achieve whatever idea you want to achieve with the AI that is going to do the job for you in very, very simple clicks. Okay, so that's about what you have with this one. You will see some of the testimonials at your convenience and see what it costs in other marketplaces where they render, where you can outsource your services or your needs. This is the kind of money they make, and this is the kind of money you stand to make on Fiverr or any of the other workplaces. And of course, you know what that means. That gives you the ability to have a business in a box which you can use for yourself, for your content, for your handles, for anything you want, and of course sell to others because of the commercial license that is included in this. Okay, so it's an amazing product in my assessment, and you'll be able to, of course, avoid some of these monthly huge payments that you pay to all these other platforms that have made money and continue to make money probably for lifetime from others in recurring subscription basis. Okay, so I will leave you to that decision to get a product like this, which I believe is going to help you. And then of course, when you come here, you'll be able to go through some of these tabs for yourself and see if this is going to be for you. But for now, let us take a look at the very members area and the software itself. Here is the dashboard. Unfortunately, I have not been able to receive the password to the very review access page, but I have the video as I was sent, and this is the dashboard area. You have all the documents, AI image creation button, you have AI chatbots, AI speech to text, and AI text to speech with very good AI voices that are going to sound like real human beings, and you have the ability to summarize long texts, generate quote, and of course explain like 1 in 5, and of course you have also song lyrics, joke generator, and text spinner, and of course rewriter. Okay, so that's what you have done. Let us see the video of this product in action, and then we'll go from there. Oh yes, welcome back to my channel where I review IT products and of course training courses that are going to help you create income streams online. And now let us take a look at the very pricing for this product. The number one will be the front end, which goes for $17 like I said before, and this will give you access to this crazy dashboard where you perform all the tasks with AI, and you have the OTO number one for $37, and then you have also the OTO number 4, which is the Plexity AI Unlimited. it goes for $47. OTO number 3 will be the Plexity AI traffic, goes for $67. Here, traffic is automated for you from their sources. And you have the OTO number 4, which is exactly this, goes for $97, and it's called Plexity AI Marketing Kit. You have the number 5 OTO, which is the upgrade number 5, Plexity AI Agency, is sold for $67. And you have the OTO number 6, Plexity AI Reseller. This goes for $47. You have Plexity AI White Label as number 7. It goes for just $77. With this, you can rebrand, add your logo, a watermark, and of course make this product yours. And then of course with the white label, you'll be able to relaunch it, change the name, brand, whatever you want, and launch it as if it's your own, and keep the profit across the entire funnel. So that's what you have with the pricing. Now let's see the crazy bonuses that I have lined up for you. Number 1 will be Latitude, which is a very current training course from John Armstrong on how you can make money using NFTs, and which are non-fungible tokens dealt on blockchain digital exchange. Okay, now you have the number 2 as TweetX, which is how to crack Twitter traffic and divert traffic from Twitter or X platform to any offer or link of your choice. You have Insurgency number 3, which is a training course on how to master Facebook as to boost your productivity, especially for affiliate marketing. You have also the number 4, the Lazy Traffic Sniper, which is a system that gets you free buyer traffic online from different sources. You have also the JavaScript Commission Bot, which is a bot that is installed in your system to divert traffic from internet sources to any offer or link of your choice. You have also number 6, my favorite, the lockdown formula, where I started my journey of digital marketing, and this is going to teach you how to start from scratch and scale your business to any level of your choice. You have also the number 7, the Commission Toolbox, which is made up of over 1,000 different links for different capabilities, including video and image editors, background removers, link shorteners, name it. You have access to a button that is going to give you direct results to these very capabilities. And now, of course, when you buy this product, after pressing that link in the description, the first link, you come to this Facebook, this very sales page. You click a button like this, which are scattered all over the page. Let me show you the first one. I guess it's up there. You'll be able to see it. I think it has to be somewhere. Yes, this, if you click it, it's going to take you to the Water Plus platform where this product is hosted, and you'll find under your purchase history a page that looks like this. This button gives you access to Plexity AI creativity application, and you have this blue one giving you access to these crazy and amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you, which are still selling on Water Plus. And of course, you'll be able to make use of all of that. And with this said, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell icon for notification. Definitely, I'll be back to you in my next. But before I go, remember, Plexity AI has gone live, and you'll be able to purchase it at any time of your choice when you desire, and you'll be able to create real-time AI chatbots, have image AI variation, image generation, and you have also the AI graphic editor and AI product generator, ideas and summarizers. Everything is included here, and it is definitely beginner friendly. With that said, I will come back to you in my next video. Again, I remain your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me, guys, from here is goodbye.